What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So for today's video I am super excited because as you can already tell, I did purchase myself a ring light and it is right here, which I actually have not opened yet because for this reason that I wanted to do this unboxing slash review on it. So yeah, it is right here. And before I continue with this video and showing you guys a whole unboxing and review of it, I want to talk to you guys a little bit of why I decided to purchase this ring light and how much it costed and which one it is and things like that. So yeah, if you're interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. First of all, the reason that I purchased this ring light is because I've been wanting to for a while now, ever since I got into doing makeup and doing freelance makeup on other people. Because when I do makeup on other girls, it's sometimes really early in the morning and the light from outside is barely coming out, and I have trouble finding a place where I can do their makeup. That way I can get good lighting and see their makeup. And the second reason is because I'm doing YouTube and I only get to film videos in the mornings when I have the chance to, and then at night like the lighting isn't just that great. So now I'm going to tell you guys where I got it from. So this ring light is from Amazon. If you guys are interested in purchasing it after seeing this video, I will have the link down in this description box so you guys can go check it out. Okay, so my number one review or rate on this ring light is that the shipping was really quick, because I think I ordered it on a Saturday and I got it the next week on a Wednesday. And yeah, like I thought that was really quick. And my second rate on it or review is that the ring light wasn't very expensive, because it was only $109, but plus tax it came out being $118. Like I said, again, I'll link this specific one down in my description box. Okay, so it comes in this big old box. Like literally it's that big that like it covers like half my body, because like I'm that small. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing it.
I think I'm scissors. Or not. Maybe I do. Okay, BRB.
Okay, so I got these scissors, I don't know. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have it like on a chair. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. You just have like this paper. So we don't need that. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but there's another box inside. It just looks like that. Oh my god, if I got the bulb one, I hope it didn't come broken. Because if it did, I'm gonna be so mad and I'm gonna cry. Okay, so this is how it looks. That should be my thumbnail.
I think this is the, this is the tripod or whatever, I don't know what this is called. Yeah, so it comes in this little box. This is really small.
Let's just put it to the side for a while. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I think it's gonna go like on the tripod. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and like start assembling it. That way I can.
Oh, I'm breaking it. Pushing it down.
Good, so that's how it looks. And I think these little like tubes, if you like, yeah, so you can make it as taller as you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down because we don't need it that high. Yeah, I think this one is gonna go on here. So yeah, you just want to twist these like thingies, so like, because it has like I don't know if you guys can see. Please don't mind my nails, but I don't know if you guys can see how like you have to untwist this as to where you don't see this little gray thingy. I don't know if you guys saw that. So yeah, you want to have this out all the way and then push it back on. So okay, so it's a little sturdy. Okay, anyway, so that's that. So there's something else in here. I think it's for here too. Or actually no. Okay, I know this is the adapter or whatever for the camera. So like if you have a camera, you just place it on here. Okay, yeah, it doesn't go on here. I think it's gonna go on the ring light. The moment of truth. The ring light is in here in a separate case. Okay. How do I open this? Oh my god, I really hope it didn't come broken. Okay, yeah, so I did get the LED one, I guess. Oh my god. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so this is the LED ring light. So it comes with this cord. I really don't know where this is going to be plugged into. And this is how the back looks like. It says that it dims right here. You guys can see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and... Don't do what I just did because I think you can break it like that. So what you want to do is twist this little knob thingy and then pull this down because I don't know what I just did. Yeah, this one comes out too. Both of them do.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't know if I'm mounting this on right. It looks crooked.
I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can. But I can't lower this down anymore. Oh. Okay, so I think there's another box in here. Yeah, I think. Okay, so there's nothing else in there. Oh, I forgot about this thingy. I don't even know where this goes. Oh my god, I can't even reach this. Oh! What a dumb. So I had it high. And I can lower it down. So it's gonna go right here. How? I don't know how. So you want this to be all the way up. You don't want it to be down. You know what I mean? So twist it all the way up. And then mount it on this little thingy right here. Oh, okay. So you guys, I'm learning stuff here. So you want to twist it to make it tight. And there, it doesn't move as much. So this is what comes inside. So we have, what is this? It's a Bluetooth remote shutter. Oh, okay. That's cool. It came a little messed up. Maybe you guys can see it's like right here on this corner, it's like bended. Maybe chewed up. I don't know. Okay, so it comes with that, and then it comes with 3 different cords. Comes with this one. I really don't know where this is gonna go. And then it comes with this other one. And then it comes with this one. Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay, so it does come with a like phone holder or whatever. So let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, so it is for the phone. So it extends that much. I think it's placed like this. Okay, so here are the instructions, I guess. Okay, not that one. So, okay, so I did that. Installation of light stand. So that was the light stand. I guess it's called the light stand, not a tripod. And then second, installation of soft tube, which was this one right here. Installation of color filter. Oh, okay. So it comes with an orange plate mirror filter, I don't know. And then it comes with the white one. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on first. Okay, maybe this one, it's gonna go on here, on this little cord. Like that. And then okay, so I don't know which one is gonna go on here because there's two of the same ones. There's this one and then there's this one. Oh wow, so common sense. So obviously you can't plug this to the wall. It had to be this one. So I'm guessing I don't even know what this is for. Okay, so it's plugged in. Alright, so I went ahead and mounted my camera on the ring light, so it's on there right now. I haven't turned it on, so I want to show you guys like the difference that the lighting makes. So right now I have my blinds open, which natural lighting is coming in. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut everything. That way you guys can see how the lighting in my room looks like when there's no lighting at all. Okay, so this is how it looks with no lighting at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the ring light. So okay, so this is how it looks with the lowest setting, and again with the orange filter. So this is the lowest setting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and oh wow, so I think this is like the middle one, and then like the middle as it goes, and I think it goes higher. Okay, and that is the highest that it goes. Wow, I like how it's lighting up my room, but it's lighting it up very warm, so I don't know if I look very warm right now. Alright, so now I have the white filters on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the ring light. Okay, so that is the lowest setting it goes. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be really, really bright. So I'm dimming it up. Keeps going. Okay, so that is the middle. The middle dimmest. Wow. Okay. And that is the highest it goes. Wow, it really brightens my room really, really good. Like, I love how it's lighting it up. Yeah, so that is how it looks. Let me get a little closer. I feel like you can see all my imperfections. I think I like more the white filters on than the warm tone ones. I don't think I'll ever use these warm ones. Maybe they'll come in handy if I'm trying to go for like a golden hour selfie or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I know you guys can't really see me, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a side by side on how the filter, the warm filter looks like, and then how the white plates look like. All right, and then this is the side by side looks like with the white filters on. So yeah, this is the warm filters on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how like the whole setup looks like, that way you guys can see. It's really tall, but I do have it in the lowest one. So this is how it looks like. Please don't mind the mess, you guys. I was doing the whole unboxing here, but so this is how the ring light looks like, and this is with no lighting at all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the ring light. All right, so that is the lowest it goes. This is how it looks like in the lowest setting. Now I'm gonna go higher. Around there is the middle dimmest, and then this is the highest. That is the highest it goes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it really does line my room up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, so as you guys can see, there's like little spots or whatever, but that is because it's the LED light. And like I said, you can make this even higher. So here you just turn it around, or actually not that one, so these you can make the ring light go higher. So you just twist this, go higher, so you guys can see. And then that is just the first one. There's 3, so you can make it really, really high. And this is where you can assemble your camera, or if you have a phone and like you want to take pictures or anything, you just place this on and that's where it goes. So yeah, that is with the white filter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks with the warm filters on. Alright, and here is how the ring light looks like with the orange filters on. It's just the same. So that is the lowest setting it goes. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up. So that is the middle. That is how it's lighting up my room, very like warm. Okay, so that is how the ring light looks turned up all the way. So that is how it looks like. And this is how it's lighting up my room. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here with the white filters on because I just think I like these better than the orange filters. I hope you guys got to see in depth of how this ring light is like. My honest rate on this ring light is a 10 out of 10. I really recommend this ring light if you're someone who also does makeup on other clients and you guys have been like me for a while, having trouble finding good lighting. I'm super happy that I finally got to buy one myself. I said I will have the link down in my description box of this specific ring light if you guys want to go check it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. I would appreciate it very, very much. And if you haven't followed me on my social medias, I will have them down in the description box below like always. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye!